and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Reader for a discount. Awesome Japanese stuff, like this. This is Maruchan ZUBAAAN Hakata Tonkotsu Ramen. So that's what we're doing. This one's fast, so don't blink. This literally, it takes 1 minute. I'm not joking. It's quick. It's for those of you who don't have time to wait, and I'm guessing you're just like shotgunning this like a beer because you don't have time to eat either. I don't know, but as you'll see, the noodle is very thin. So here we go with that, starting our minute. Let's have it go. Watch it go, folks. Watch it go, as Pantera used to say. There was a video, the Pantera video. You ever see the Pantera video? Watch it go. Whoa. Wow, it gets angry. Angry noodle. And it gets wanting to boil over, and I tell it no. I don't even think it needs to stay with the heat on it at this point. I gotta say, I really hate my stove. It's very non-compliant when it comes to like temperature. Oh, and in the background you might see Rosie going around. Rosie the Roomba. Okay, you do it for 1 minute, huh? This isn't done. I don't know about that, folks. 1 minute? Well, maybe it is. Okay, let me... I gotta do this anyways. $500 milliliters of water. Hello, Rosie. Are you getting stuck anywhere? Our Roomba likes to get stuck in places. It also likes to drag around the kids' toys. I've caught Rosie like going around the living room with like some train or car or whatever, some Legos, and just like shoving them here and there, and then it turns around, decides to do something else, and just leaves them. It's like, kids, why are you leaving it? It wasn't us, it was Rosie, Papa. Oh yeah, that makes sense. So we got this sachet. We'll stir in the powder. Was it somebody got elected to office in our state and the last name is spelled P-O-U? She looked like a normal lady. I mean, just like a standard human being. But her last name was P. I don't know if that... I don't know the order. Oh, wait! Wait, she was Hispanic, that's right, and that kind of threw me for a loop. I was like, that sounds more French to me, but, you know, hey, what do I know? Who? Rosie, I'm doing my show, get the hell out of here. You don't need to be in the kitchen right now. God bless America. My wife used to have a coworker, and instead of cursing more fervently, she would just say, God bless America. And so that's kind of become part of what we say around here when we're like, yeah, get lost, Rosie. You're not helping the situation. Go out there and mess with the kids' Lego creations. There's been more than once that the kids come home from school and they don't notice it, and then they notice it like a little bit later that one of the Lego things has been like destroyed. And it's Rosie the Roomba that does it. But immediately Miles would be like, Mimi, what have you done? Mama, Mimi destroyed my creation. She destroyed Oracle Park. Mimi, why did you do that? It wasn't me! God, they've just been fighting like cats and dogs. I mean, it's their way. They're what? 7 and 9, soon to be 8 and 9. Let's give this a try. Wow. A, it's thick. B, there's the broth. Nice milky broth. Very oily. It's hot. It's very sweet. I'll be quite honest, I don't know that I've ever had a tonkatsu that's been sweet like this. I mean, it is... Ooh! Medic! Nah, I just burnt my finger. That's what we have fingers for, so we don't burn our teeth while we're trying to, you know, move things around with our face. Okay. I burnt my teeth off. Could you imagine if your teeth caught on fire? As my brother would say, you should not know from this. You really shouldn't. What are you in for? Well, my teeth caught on fire. Really? How did you manage that, sir? I don't know, I wasn't there. Let's get you down to the padded room, sir. Maybe I need to go to the padded room. No. Okay, there's a mound of noodle. And then we're gonna add in our goodies. You like goodies? Yeah, so as far as Hakata Tonkotsu ramen, I don't know how much I truly love this, but it's fascinating. I need a napkin there. And I need a blowtorch. I wonder how this would feel on my teeth. Probably not very well. Let's leave our teeth alone. Sizzle. I remember doing a photo shoot once, and the lady was like here taking pictures of me. It was for a Korean magazine that I was in, and she was like messing with her camera and she wanted to do pictures of me while I was doing what I do here. And I grabbed the blowtorch, and she's like, stop, I need to get pictures of that. What? Oh. Okay. You gotta warn me when you're gonna do something cool. I'm like, oh, I do this every day. It's lost its coolness. I mean, I guess it is cool. Look at those yolks, folks. Yump and yeast. Look at those yolks. With the recent political events, I'm dying to watch Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome again. Maybe all the Mad Max movies. I don't know. We just watched back-to-back Fury Road and Furiosa. That was a nice combo. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know that I like where this is sitting, and I'm not sure I like where these guys are. Oh, no, don't tilt in. Come on, you jerk. What if we do? Ah! Okay, so we got that. I want to add in some chili well, I want to do that? I think I want to add in the scallion first. You may have noticed that I have almost, well, I have, like, completely stopped utilizing... Hold on. I've completely stopped using mung bean sprout. It's gotten too expensive, and it just goes bad so damn quick. Why don't you grow your own? Why don't you grow me some? I'm not into that. I hate plants unless I'm eating them, so I'm not really in the mood to grow any mung bean sprouts, okay? Oh, it's so simple. Grow your mung bean sprouts yourself. No. I get that all the time. Why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? It's such a good idea. You should do that. I should. Well, what I think I should do is I should use some of this. This is S&B crunchy garlic with chili oil umami topping. This is like a chili crisp. I mean, it really is. It's a chili crisp, but it's a Japanese take on it. And S&B, as I was talking with my compadre, Mr. Reverend Dick Gazzini this morning. Oh my God, this stuff is so good. Salty, savory, yummy, garlicky. S&B, it's like Smith and Barrow or some kind of, but it's a Japanese brand. But it started off as British. He was also telling me how in the 80s he lived in Taiwan and he taught English. Oh, I've got to add in the other little magic thing. You can grab the other little magic thing here. So cool. Stage 1 is done. I've used both of the eggs that I wanted to use. Something like that. There you go, watch it go. Well, thank you for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. This was sent to me by a guy named the Fat Hipster. Look him up on YouTube. This is by a company called ZUBAAN Incorporated. U.S. government property. Commercial resale is unlawful. But he got it off of Amazon. But this is what's called an MRE. And it does have a component that is a chicken instant noodle. So I'm gonna make that, and maybe I'll crack into a couple of the other things. But yeah, it's a seafood chowder cold weather meal. So I don't know. We'll see. It's interesting. So many things were in this bag. But yeah, This has been Hans the Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.